everyone, good morning po. We're just feeding the turtles. Hopefully we can see some catfish. Ayan, ang dami na nila.
Feeding the pigeons too.
Tapos meron pong monitor lizard dyan. Ayan. Ayan. It just stays there. I wanted to take a video of it closer. Train. There's
Okay, now
another bird
let's
here.
throw the frisbee thing.
No, you cannot feed the pigeons. One. Ah! Okay. Oops. Can you throw one here? There's a very big turtle over there. Can you see that? Oh, it popped out.
Faster!
Come out.
I don't have tissue.
Nah, take the
I
bread.
don't have bread, not tissue. No, I'm just feeding one piece.
There's a baby turtle over there. That one is a baby. Excuse me.
Oh wait, no, the baby took it.
I'll just find it.
The baby took it. Yes. That's
Ang
right.
cute. Ang laki ng isda. Saan na? Ayun.
Nanti Alina.
Ayan.
Good
Good morning. Good morning. There's another more.
Nanti
Another one.
Alina, look at all the pigeons.
Yeah, okay. Excuse
There
me.
is one there first. There are the pigeons. Like go
There's
away.
one here. I'm going to. Oh, there's a lot of them. Hey, I told you, you cannot feed them.
It's not me.
Don't throw the bread there.
Why?
What do you mean why? They will keep coming back here. Do you know there's one place here in what place is it? I read it in the newspaper the other day.
There's a catfish.
There's a lot of
There's a catfish.
Yeah,
I know
sure.
there's a fish actually. Look.
there's a lot of
Wait, there's a fish.
yeah, I saw it before already. No, listen first. There's a lot of pigeon right in their house. All their windows got a lot of pigeons
Oh.
poop, you know. Show it away. Why are you scared?
Ah! What the hell?
Don't throw the bread on them. Throw away.
Wait, let's do the. Ah! Oh hell.
Di ba? What are you doing?
I scared there's a crow, man.
There's no crow.
A lot of pigeons.
Ang dami na nila. Ang dami na nila bigla.
Four pigeons.
Bawal po sila pakainin dito kasi nga dadami sila tas tatae.
We should be like the auntie like that. We should cut the bread and put it in a plastic. Then we can just take like 4 of them and throw.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, they all flew away. No catfish. Nandiyan na sila sa puno na yun. Okay, no more pigeons. No more pigeons.
There's still bread.
No more. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Hindi pa din umaalis tong...
Let's play the foodie.
Hindi pa rin umaalis tong monitor lizard dito.
There's one more bread.
Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. These girls are still here. Anyways, thank you. Bye. Oh, the monitor lizard is here. Okay, it's here.
Let me try feeding it.
I saw that. It's swimming towards us. It's huge. Okay po na.
Oh my goodness.
It's so fat.
So big. Not
Yeah.
fat.
Yeah, it's fat.
I'm trying to hit its head.
You can't hit it.
What if I hit it?
Wow, you see the tank?
Oh,
The blue color tank. Or purple.
blue. Stop saying everything is purple. Is he eating the bread?
All I see is purple.
He's eating the bread, man. Yeah, he doesn't eat bread. Do they eat bread?
Okay. Okay. I'll stop taking video now. Bye. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good day.